Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start your Expedition Volunteer Sign-up mission in Heartopia for the upcoming Call of Whales event. Okay, just go to the Underwater Expedition Prep menu and make sure you have already completed the Coastal Notice mission or quest. I've already completed the mission and got the sign. And then you can talk to Annie to start the quest. You can click on New Friend and you're going to talk to the new NPC called Aurora, just right here near Annie. And then you're going to click on New Friend. Okay, then you're going to finish talking to her and then talk to Atara. He's at the central square or the central town. Talk to Atara and you will start the quest. Click on Whale Canyon. Okay, and after you talk to Atara, open up your watch and then the Expedition Volunteer sign up will be started. And as you can see here guys, that we need to go seek approval from the town residents and just check the map. The resident that will give you approval will have this sign, this orange sign. Okay, Azour and then Blancs and Naniwa and so on. And the first resident is Azour, so I'm gonna meet her. We're going to talk to her and we're going to click on Expedition Volunteer, leave it to me, and she will give you approval like this. Okay guys, then that's how you can start the Expedition Volunteer sign up mission or request in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.